Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Hello friends, in this video I am going to describe principles, applications and advantages of TLC. TLC stands for thin layer chromatography. You might have heard about chromatography. Chromatography is used to separate mixtures of substances into their components. Thin layer chromatography is a technique used to isolate non-volatile mixtures. I assume that you guys know about volatile and non-volatile mixtures. Principle of TLC. As other chromatographic technique, TLC also has two phases, stationary and mobile phase. In TLC, we use a thin glass plate coated with either silica gel or aluminum oxide. This is the glass plate coated with silica gel. Here the glass coated with silica gel is a stationary phase, while the mobile phase is the solvent which is put in the jar. The basic principle of TLC is the distribution of a compound between a fixed phase, stationary phase, and a liquid mobile phase that is moving over the solid phase. Procedure and steps involved to run the TLC. The very first step, to make a thin line mark at the bottom of the plate with a pencil to apply the sample spots. The distance of line should be around half centimeter above from the bottom of the plate. Then apply sample solution on the spots marked on the line here and make sure that spots have uniform distance to each other. After that, the mobile phase solvent is poured into the TLC chamber up to 5 mm depth. Now the plate is placed into the TLC chamber and close the chamber with the lid. Allow the plate to develop until the solvent is about half centimeter below the top of the plate. Then remove the plate from the beaker and mark the solvent front with the pencil. After that, allow the plate to dry. The plate I marked as number 4, showing the sample spots on applying UV light. This is. The next important thing is RF value. The retention factor or RF is defined as the distance traveled by the compound divided by the distance traveled by the solvent. For example, in this case, if the compound marked as 8 travels 4.5 cm and the solvent front travels 5 cm, the RF value will be 0.9. The compounds with large RF value is less polar because it interacts less with the polar adsorbent on the TLC plate. Some important terms of TLC. First one is mobile phase. Mobile phase, we all know that the solvent moving through the column is also known as carrier. Second one is stationary phase. Substance that stay fixed inside the column is known as adsorbent or stationary phase. Third one is eluent. Fluid entering the column is known as eluent. And fourth one is elute. Fluid comes out from the column which is collected in the flask. Fifth one is elution, the process of washing out the compound through a column using a suitable solvent. And most important is analyte. Analyte is a mixture whose individual components have to be separated and analyzed. Advantages of TLC. It is very simple process and the instrumentation component used in TLC are easily available. The methods helps to identify the individual compounds. It is very cheaper chromatographic technique. It helps to isolate the most of the compound. The purity standard of given sample can be assessed easily. The separation process is very fast. Applications of TLC. First, to check the purity of given samples. Second, identification of compounds like acids, alcohols, proteins, alkaloid, amines and antibiotics. Thanks for watching.